So I'm here with the President of the Chamber of Commerce, Johanna Murphy, this morning on the promenade, John F. Kennedy Park in Cobh, and we're marking the arrival on the 13th, on Sunday, 30th of March, the North Texas University Green Brigade marching band. They're in Ireland to march in Dublin, however, they're coming to Cobh to do the Titanic Trail, and they'll be performing for the town here on the promenade at 12:30 on Sunday.
So we're really looking forward to seeing them, and myself as President of the Cobh and Harbour Chamber are delighted to be invited to the event. It's really good for the town. We have a lot of coffee shops, we have restaurants, we have speciality shops, so really looking forward and welcoming you to Cobh Town.
Thank you very much, Madam President. So let's have a look and enjoy Sunday the 13th at 12:30 in Cobh.